Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a Modelones 9D cat eye gel polish. So let's get right into the video. I needed a black gel polish and this is what I saw on Amazon, so I purchased this black gel polish and 9D cat eye gel polish. I also got the magnet as well. On my nails I'm using tips today because my nails broke, so let's pretend it's my natural nails, and I have a layer of a gel base and a gel top coat on my nails, and I applied a layer of peel off base coat as well for easier removal. But if you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. So I'm just going to do my gel polish application, and what I noticed is that the brush applicator is somewhat thick and it makes gel application a bit thick as well if you are new to gels. So you have to be careful when doing this and ensure that you get thin layers by removing most of the product from the brush before applying it to the nails. This is from trial and error, and using other companies' gel polishes, I realized that because other gel polishes, their applicators, some of them actually aren't that thick, it's a bit thinner and longer. So I did 2 layers of the black and cured for 30 seconds in between layers. So I wanted to test out my black gel polish and cat eye because I was a little bored, so I just decided to upload it. There's nothing really exciting about this, it's just the regular gel application. Now for the cat eye gel polish, I placed 1 layer, and this is a really pretty color by itself without applying the magnet, and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I went in with another layer and moved around the pigment. I didn't want to place my hand in the lamp for each nail, so I ensured to separate my fingers so that the magnet doesn't move the other nail that was already done. I believe I did 3 fingers first and then cured for 30 seconds, and then the last 2 and cured for 30 seconds. Now I apply my Modelones top coat and cure it for 30 seconds. So I think I'm getting a lot better at gel application because the cuticle area looks way better compared to my other gel polish application. So I'm glad about that. So guys, practice makes perfect. I'm still not there yet, but I'm getting there. That's why I like to document myself doing my nails so that years from now I could see how far I've reached. And when the nails cool down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So this Modelones gel polish is really nice and I like it, and I liked how it came out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.